Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Passion for Cooking, Traveling, Positive Talks and many more. So today I thought of, basically this was in my mind quite a long time, but yes, I thought let me talk about it today. So today I am going to speak about a saying or proverb which is don't judge a book by its cover. It's pretty common and standard quote, and I'm sure most of us would have experienced positive or negative towards this particular proverb or saying in our lives. But let me tell you all something. The first thing, or first and foremost, our eyesight would capture is for the appearance. Be it whether you go to purchase a book or be it whether you're meeting a person, the first look and a first talk and the first appearance is something we take it for granted, and that can lead and take us to the wrong judgment. So ideally our brains are so weird, it kinds of captures the images pretty quicker than the words. So that is one great reason why it is important for all of us not to go or not to judge anybody just looking at them. We need to take some time to observe, to know what they are, to know what is actually related or their actions towards any kind of situation. I think that is something would be the best to decide what you would need or whether that's needed or that person is actually going to be a good friend or whatever. It depends on what you would want the person to be on. But in my personal experience, I personally do not have a lot of friends. Maybe I'm pretty outspoken, and of course I never judge anybody by the book or the cover of the book. I literally take a lot of time, but I have also experienced where I have blindly got attracted to the, different or two faces people around too. And it happens when you kind of go by the book or the cover of the book. The lot of situations, it may be that we might end up missing or judging somebody who's actually good or who's actually amazing person or may have a great story behind. We might miss to probably experience it, or it can also happen maybe at the appearance the person is amazingly good, but later you would actually get to know the consequences. So that's one personal reason I have no much friends, but whomever I have as my so-called friends do know me well, and they don't take me for granted, first of all. And of course, I don't take them for granted too. It's a two-way, and we respect our friendship a lot. But there are times where for a fact you've just been an add-on to the group or add-on to the circle or an add-on to the family, but behind it's something else. So be alert. Take time to basically accept but do not deny anything even before you come to a conclusion by understanding the person, knowing the person, and then probably you can, decide what is good for you. So it's very, very important that we do not judge our book by its cover, because we might miss on a lot of positive things as well and great lessons too. So let's take time out not to go with the appearance, but to ensure we are taking time out to experience the right thing which needs to be avoided for us. That's it from my end today. I wish you all a great day, and please do continue to support. And for the ones who have already subscribed, thank you so much. And I'll try to do better as much as possible. Thank you.